back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Sabrina. If you are not new to this, welcome back to another video. So today I'm here with, you guessed it, another crochet install because y'all thought I was playing, but I really wasn't. But I'm here with another one. I did a side part crochet install and y'all, I love the crochet game. I cannot lie. I've been eating it up and it's been eating me right back up. It's a hit every single time. This is truly a style that you cannot fail. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, I did that. But let's go ahead and get into it. First off, I definitely have to say a super huge thank you to ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video. So I did get 5 bundles of their Kinky straight feather crochet hair, and I got it in 18 inches. And this definitely was looking a little bit longer than 18 inches, I'm not going to lie, but you'll see. So this was the hair fresh out of the box. This is the natural texture that you will get, and it comes off like a light brown color. Now my hair is a little bit darker than that, and I wanted this to come out real good because I just knew it was going to eat. So I did do a water dye. I just used a box Color Silk jet black dye, and yeah, I'm not really sure if I really did the water dye correctly, but either way, I put the dye in the water, I put the hair in the water and just make sure everything was saturated. I let it sit. I really can't remember, but I think it was probably for like an hour or so. I like washed my hair, dyed my leave out in between, and then I went back, shampooed the hair, conditioned it, and let it air dry. So this is the hair after it's fully air dried, and you can see the texture is really popping. The crinkles are, yeah, and the color came out exactly how I needed it to. So this is my braiding pattern. Again, I'm doing a side part, that's my leave out, and I did do an anchor braid around my leave out, and then you kind of see the rest is like tilted to the side, all conjoined. And then I tried to do a beehive in the back. Didn't really come out how I thought, but it did what it needed to do. It did what it needed to do. The thing about the braiding pattern under it is that you're never going to see it. So even if you're not the best braider or the pattern gets jacked up, I promise in the end it will be okay. Don't freak out. So for the front with my crochet, I always start in the front because it's very easy to apply a lot of the hair in the back and then run out of hair when you come to the front, and the front is the most crucial part. So I always start in the front. This time I didn't do the invisible hairline method that I did in others, but I will always do that. I think going forward I will never skip that again, especially if you're doing it with hair texture that's going to be straighter. Make sure you do the invisible hairline. But I just inserted these like normal, and again with the crochet you just push it through your hair, open the latch, connect the thread, close the latch, pull it through. And to me, I pull both strands of hair through the loop. I do not create a knot, and because that is going to make for the easiest takedown, when you create an actual knot and pull one strand of the hair through the loop, I find that it creates a lot of breakage on the takedown. And we're all about healthy hair, preserving our hair, especially when it's in a protective style. It defeats the purpose if your takedown breaks your hair off. So I suggest, again, to do a full loop where you pull both strands of the hair through the loop and not tie a knot on your hair. You can also opt for a mesh netting install where you're installing the crochet on the mesh cap or the netting instead of your hair. It's going to be less tension as well. Right here, this is after I'm 3 bundles or 3 packs of hair in. It's looking nice, it's looking full. I'm excited for the outcome. And here I'm just going to go in and fill in the rest like I normally do. For the rest of the video, you'll see that I do end up straightening the hair. I put not leave-in, but heat protectant on the extensions because, again, this is human hair. It is reusable, so you want to make sure you take care of your bundles and they will take care of you. Well, these aren't bundles, these are crochet hair, but it feels like bundles, and at the end it ended up looking like bundles too. So I did go in and press out the hair on 450 degrees. I did kind of thick sections because I was going somewhere. But if you take your time and do even thinner sections, you can really like silk this out and get it bone straight. After that, I of course had to go in with my natural hair. I did leave-in heat protectant. I blew my hair out, flat ironed it as well, curled it, styled it, all that good stuff. So I was very happy with the end result of this hair. I do love this texture. When I went out this night, it was very humid here in Florida, so my leave out definitely puffed up, and it was okay because the hair also reverted a little bit, and by the end of the night you really couldn't tell where my hair started or the extensions started. So that is one thing that I definitely love about the kinky straight texture, is if you're a natural girly, you will never have to worry about your leave out being left out. Your entire head is going to look the same. And I'll like insert a video here so you can see what I was talking about for that night. But no, this hair was so soft, so lightweight. Lightweight is always the #1 pro for me when it comes to crochet hair. You honestly don't feel like anything's on your head. And then this specific texture is just so fluffy, so soft. Like tangles is, I feel like, always non-existent with kinky straight hair. I don't know what the sorcery is with this texture. The only downfall is that no, it doesn't hold the curl the best, but also I think if you use like a setting mousse and perm rods, your curls will definitely last a lot longer versus a hot iron curl or a wand curl. But if they can just get it to where the texture holds a curl, this would literally be just elite for a Black woman, like across the globe. But I loved this install. It was so flat, so natural. This is giving my hair. Forget a sew-in, forget a quick weave. This is giving I grew it out of my scalp. I got so many compliments that night. I just looked so good, and I knew it was the hair. I knew it was the hair. Make sure you check the description box for direct links to this hair and any coupon codes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Thank you again to ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video.